Millbrook High School cross country team is bringing history back to life. Stay tuned to find out more.
In 2010, Millbrook High School started hosting a cross-country meet on a course running through the site of the Third Battle of Winchester. Since its inception, the Third Battle Invitational has grown from having just a handful of teams compete to having to turn away teams who want to participate.
At this point, so many people want to come and just run their fast times. It's towards the end of the season, so kids want to end their season with a fast time. And a lot of coaches just want to bring their teams there. It's a nice atmosphere, it's a friendly atmosphere. And we are now turning away teams. We get about 45 teams and turn away probably another 20.
So this has turned into one of the premier cross-country events in the state. We've got the fastest time on land ever run on Virginia soil by a high school boy and a high school girl. Those both happened at the same meet a couple years ago. So it's one that coaches look forward to.
In addition to its statewide popularity, the meet is also special to Millbrook's cross-country team.
The environment around it is like fantastic. Like you're running in trees, you're in woods, like beautiful tree lines. And like that's what really makes it special, but then the amount of people that also enjoy that around you. So being in the environment like with people also liking that, it just makes it 10 times better.
The kids really enjoy this. The athletes on the cross-country team, they take pride in this. They go over the land with us after the event, make sure that every scrap of paper is picked up. They enjoy hearing from the other teams, the athletes and the coaches and the parents of the other teams, what a nice event this is, and they take pride in this.
Millbrook has never charged spectators to attend the event. Instead, donations are accepted and the proceeds are donated to the Shenandoah Valley Battlefields Foundation.
Our location is a unique location for a course in that you park at Millbrook High School but have to walk about half a mile to get to the course. So in my mind as a new coach, I thought, well, I feel rude if I'm charging people to walk almost 3/4 of a mile to get to the location. So I said, well, let's not charge people, let's just ask for a donation. And since we're already asking for a donation, let's take the donation and give it to a good cause.
To date, about $30,000 has been raised through the meet.
It's a little surprising how much has been raised. It's the people who come to our meet are extremely generous. People seem to give no matter what. Some people, they reach in their pocket, don't have any money, and they'll pull out maybe like 30 cents, and they'll still give us their 30 cents. We end on an odd number every year, like somebody has donated 11 cents. And I believe that when people come into the battlefield, they see what a special place it is, they see the history, they see the monuments that are back there and the placards that are back there, and I hope that they feel that they're a part of that after they've given their donation.
The Shenandoah Valley Battlefields Foundation has used the money raised at the meet over the years to install interpretive signs at the battlefield. The signs also recognize Millbrook's cross-country team for its role in making the signs a reality. Shirk recalls what he was thinking when he saw the signs for the first time.
Was literally just speechless for a couple minutes, just saying, wow, I can't believe somebody appreciated our donation so much to put it on every sign throughout the battlefield, and just completely touched by that by that gesture by the Shenandoah Valley Battlefields Foundation. Did not know they were going to do that, and really just I'm grateful that they recognize our efforts. Well, I hope that the kids from the team can take with them that even just doing something that you love, something that you might have been willing to do anyways, can be turned into something that goes beyond that, and can be turned into something special for somebody else.